AI is advancing so fast. Experts say we may have only a few years to control it or lose control forever. AI, artificial intelligence like we all know it. What are some of the importance of AI? So Google just launched Veo, a text-to-video generative model. That's to say that just with a text prompt, you'll be able to generate videos. So people who cannot do video editing can now generate videos with the help of AI. People who are not content writers can do content writing effectively with the help of AI. AI can perform repetitive tasks faster and more accurate than humans. Unlike humans, AI systems don't need sleeps or breaks. They work tirelessly. Lots and lots of advantages. But the way some of us are using this AI, I'm really scared that this AI is going to harm us. Let's talk about job displacement. Yes, AI can replace human workers, especially in routines or low-skilled jobs. Yes, developing and maintaining AI system can be very expensive. AI lacks human qualities like creativity, emotional intelligence, and moral judgment. This brings me to the top of my list and the whole essence of this video. Security and privacy risks. AI can be used unethically or hacked to exploit personal data. That brings me to deepfake. So what is deepfake? According to ChatGPT, deepfake is a type of synthetic media created with artificial intelligence to manipulate or generate realistic images, videos, or audio that appear to be real but are actually fake. You must have seen it in this movie. So how does deepfake work? Deepfakes use deep learning models, especially generative adversary network, to swap faces in videos, making it look like a celebrity did something they never did. Clone voices generate entirely fake people or scenes. Take a look at these videos.
My name is Enoch Adeboye and I have struggled with prostatitis for over 15 years. At the age of 50, I was diagnosed with it. Every day I suffered from lower abdominal pain, frequent urges to urinate, intimacy problems and constant discomfort. I went to many doctors and the best urologists in the country.
This medication helps normalize blood sugar levels at any stage of diabetes. If you are unsure whether this
substandard drugs to diabetics, I appeal to all doctors and pharmacy owners, stop poisoning our people or you will be punished. At the beginning of the month, a Swiss diabetes drug was purchased which is used to treat all Europeans.
AI can be used to generate hyper-realistic fake videos or audios, impersonating the real people. It can spread misinformation, damage reputations, or exploited for frauds or blackmail. The videos you just saw are all fake. Deepfake runs misinformation to deceive the public into buying what they are selling. The next time a video ad pops up on your timeline, you have to verify the sources to be sure it's not deepfake and these people are actually real people saying real things. The internet is now a worldwide web. You need to shield yourself so you don't get burned. Stay safe.